What's up, guys? I just picked up a set of inexpensive tire pressure monitor I'm gonna put on the RV. I don't know what brand this is. I found them online. I thought they looked like they would work. I'm gonna do a quick review of them, install them, and check them out. Let's get started. Okay, they're 6TYRES TPMS tire pressure monitor system. Let's get this open. Alright. Looks like it got a little pad so you can put it on the dash. Instruction manual. They're all numbered. Let's see what this looks like. It has a negative, set and minus, and a charging port, USB charging port. Looks pretty cool. Needs to be set up. The reason I got these is the orientation of the tires on the monitor is exact to what I have on the RV. That way, if a tire is low or leaking, the orientation is exactly the same, so I know which one. Most TPMS, they're not oriented the same, and I don't like that. I saw this one and I like that. The 2 in the front, 4 in the back. So let's get it set and installed, and we'll see how it works. First, we need to check the orientation for each. Okay, so it looks like it's 1, 2 is the front, and 3, 4 on the inside back tires, 5 and 6 are the outside back tires. So let's go ahead and get those installed. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's start with the front tire. I already have some on here, so I gotta remove the old ones and replace them with the new ones. This tire looks like it's 1. Let's get 1 out. It's a sample. Alright, I just finished installing the last TPMS sensor, and we're gonna go inside the RV and find a spot for it. I see there's 1 tire I need to balance. The inside left has about 2 psi more. Every one of them had 97 except for that one had 99. We're gonna balance that out before we go inside and find a spot to situate the TPMS. Okay guys, I just installed this TPMS sensor, 6TYRES TPMS tire pressure monitoring system. I bought it off eBay. I think it was like $108. I'm gonna check it out and observe it for a couple weeks and see what it does. But I'll let you know in a update video how good it did. So if you see this anywhere, I'm just doing a review on it. I installed it on my Class A, and we'll see how it works. Let's find a spot for the actual monitor. Okay, it comes with this little pad you're supposed to set on the dashboard. Let's peel it apart and see how that works. It's real sticky. It has like a kind of sticky feeling to it. I think I'm gonna put it right here. I think this side goes down. Yeah, right there. Let's put it right here. Kind of sideways like this so I can see it. And then we'll get the monitor. Let's look at the monitor real quick. It's a real sleek looking monitor. it has a little solar panel on the top. So I guess when it gets sun while you're driving, it will recharge itself. I'm gonna leave it and see how if it needs me charging it or if the sun will do all the charging. So we'll see. Let's put it like this. Oh, this is real nice, and yeah, it kind of like it's like glued on. I can see it real good right there while I'm driving. That should be perfect. So I'm gonna just keep an eye on it, and if I need to plug it in, I have a little 12-volt plug right there. I can just get power from that. So this has been a review of the 6-tire TPMS sensor. I will do an update video later on and tell you guys how I like it. Thanks for watching. Okay.